Hi viewers, thank you so much for this time once again. We start solve this simple problem here where we say find the value of x. Then we have 2x minus 5 and that of 3 plus, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is just a problem that we are being asked to solve. And when you look at it carefully, you can see brackets being covering the two part of the whole question. We have bracket open 2x minus 5 bracket close, and that of bracket open x plus 3 bracket close is equal to 0. So under this case, how are you going to deal with this? Because you are being asked to find the value of x. So what do we need to do here? First of all, we have to look at how the problem is being stated. Now somebody can say, okay, once it's like this is multiplying by this, why don't I go ahead to multiply this to that? So that I can just multiply this and I will get like 2x squared and this by that. I'm not sure if you do that, you are going to get correct answer. Okay, I'm not sure if you do that. And that is just some of the mistakes that students these days sometimes make mistakes. Once they see that part A here, this part A here is multiplied by part B, then it means that let's multiply straight. If you do that, you're going to get lost on the way. You won't be able to get the correct answer or answers to this problem. So look at this problem. It is more or less simplified. Okay, it's more or less simplified for us already, where we have part A and part B being put together. Now, once you are able to evaluate this, you will now get to know that part A and part B have got actually nothing in common. So there's no way you can just multiply straightforward. So all you need to do here right now is to solve them partially, to solve them separately. So all of them is equal to 0. Don't forget that. All the parts A and part B, or both part A and part B, are equal to what? 0. So once they're equal to 0, we can simply do it this way. Solution here. So we have 2x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 3, okay, it's equal to 0. They're all equal to 0. So you need to take your time and be able to deal with this the right way. So here, you need to simplify this separately and do same to this separately. Okay, remember all of them are equal to 0. So we have 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Or x plus 3 is equal to 0. That's it. Then you go ahead to simplify it. So you now say that 2x is equals to 5. Yes. Okay. Then for you to get the value of x, because it says find the value of x. So for you to get the value of x here, then divide both sides by 2, both sides by 2. So this will probably cancel this to do straight away. Then you have x is equals to 5 and 2. Now this can be improper fraction. Okay, so we have to make sure that we break it down to let it stand properly. So we can break this down. So we have x is equals to, how many times can 2 go into 5? And go into 5 twice, right? So we have 2 whole number. Remember what? 1. So 1 over what? 2. This is just the same as 5 over 2. Then we also have or x plus 3 is equals to 0. So here is going to be x is equals to minus 3. Simple. Here, we don't have any bigger coefficient more than 1, where you have to divide both sides. But even here, if here is supposed to even be 1, both sides by 1, both sides by 1, then it still means the same thing, because negative 3 divided by 1 is still going to give you negative 3. Except that if this coefficient of x was negative, then here will also be converted or be changed, to positive. So that is how it's supposed to be resolved. So here we have x is equals to minus 3. Therefore, value of x is equals to 2 whole number 1/2, or x is equals to -3. This is just the solution to this problem. As simple as that. Okay. I must appreciate your time for watching us. Thank you so much. God bless you. Try to follow us on TikTok as well. We're going live right now. Don't forget to be part of that. Thank you. God bless you.